Do you want to grow your YouTube subscriber base even if you are just starting out? This video is for you. I am going to give you 5 powerful tips to skyrocket your YouTube subscriber and your watch time hours without fancy editing or expensive cameras. Let's jump right in. Welcome guys. On this channel, I teach people how to be expert content creators without fancy gear or expensive equipment. Just the phone that you are using now is enough for you to create stunning content right there, beginning right now. So today I want to share with you 5 powerful tips to get subscribers from 0 to 1,000 in a short space of time as possible. Let's get right in. Thank you very much for watching. Tip number 1, what you share matters more than the quality. Your message is very important more than the quality of your video. People don't care how polished or how real your video is. A low quality video with great information will always beat a high quality video with nothing. What are you going to do? You are going to focus on sharing content that helps, that teaches, that inspires, and that solves a problem. Get these 4 targets in your video and then you are set to growth. That's it guys, very simple. Number 2, keywords matters. Use the right keywords. YouTube is a search engine, just like Google or Bing or any other search engine that you use. YouTube is a search engine. And that means keywords matter. What are the keywords? Why are the keywords? Keywords, they help your videos to show up when people are searching. Like in this case, you search for how to get more subscribers fast, and then you see my video. So keywords are very important. Learn how to use them. Learn how to research them. And don't worry, in my next video, I am going to show you exactly how to search for the right keywords and how to use the right keywords both for your channel and for each video that you upload. That is what I'm going to do. So watch until the end and go to the next video so that you will learn how to do it. Pretty easy. You can do it on your phone. Number 3, improve on your thumbnails. So this is one of the areas which you will need to learn to do it right away. Improve on your thumbnails. What is this? You may ask, what is a thumbnail? It is that photo which you see on videos. When you're scrolling on YouTube, those photos that you see, those are thumbnails. So basically what you need to do is to create a stunning thumbnail. Do not worry, you can do it using your phone. What must be there? A thumbnail must have bright colors, readable text, and a face with expression. That is the formula. Bright colors, readable font or readable text, and your face. You see, with the expression. Show some energy on the, spend some time creating your thumbnail. Even before you start making the video, start with the thumbnail. Number 4, here is the trick number 4 that you must always start implementing in your next video. I know the others you might take time, but this one, implement it right away. Don't waste time. Upload your video the right way. So you ask, is there a right way to upload video? Yes, there is a smart way to upload a video. Right, here's the thing. Instead of hitting public right away when you upload a video, don't do that. Please. That is going to hurt your viewers. That is going to limit your growth. That is going to hurt your video distribution. So what do? You are a smart person and I'm going to teach you this. This trick is going to help you for life. Right, what you need to do is to schedule the video. Give it at least 3 hours in advance. Schedule a video, give it at least 3 hours in advance. But why is that? You might have a question. Because it gives YouTube the right time or the good amount of time to process your video, to understand the video, and to recommend it to the rightful audience. So the rightful audience are your niche. Those people are going to watch your video from minute number 1 to the last second. And that is a benefit for you because you want the watch hours, you want subscribers. So if your videos lands to the right person, chances of them watching your video to the end are very high. So please, when you upload your next video, give it some time. Give it some time. Schedule it. The best is schedule it in advance, maybe a day in advance. Like if you upload a video today, make it available tomorrow. So that small delay, like of 3 hours, is going to make a big difference to you. Implement this, and if you get results, come and comment. Number 5, this is the last one. So this number 5 is actually the overall reason that is going to determine the performance of all of your videos. How many subscribers you're going to get, how many watch hours you're going to get, it all depends on number 5. Know your niche. Who is your target audience? So before you even create the first video, you will have your audience in mind. You will have someone whom you know is going to need this information in your mind. So if you know the person that you're going to talk to, that's good. Create a video targeting that person. Don't try to solve all the problems under the sun. You can never finish them. Take one problem at a time. Focus on that. And what is the benefit of focusing on one niche? It brings loyal customers. It brings returning viewers. Returning viewers will give or will bring subscribers. You see the trick. Get one channel, one niche. That one niche is going to bring returning viewers. The returning viewers are going to be your subscribers. In the end, you are going to build a community of people. And those community will also attract other people into your community. That is 5 powerful reasons what you need to implement right now today in order for you to get more subscribers in a very short space of time. That is, guys, it may sound simple, but if you actually implement these 5 tips, your subscriber count and your watch time hours is going to grow faster than you think. Right, we have come to the end. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. But before you go, if you really want to take your content creation game to the next level, then check this video. It is going to help you. It is a free 30-day content creation masterclass, which I have prepared especially for you. So take the course, it's for free. Watch all the videos. If you have got any question, don't forget to drop them in the comment, and then I'm going to help you. Thank you. Bye-bye.